plants that will attract birds. Birding plants. Several varieties of plants that are known to attract the attention of birds. These plants are planted chiefly by hobbyist birdwatchers to improve their chances of encountering uncommon or rare birds. Huckleberry Vaccinium membranacum. The huckleberry is a shrub in the Ericaceae family and is closely related to cranberries and blueberries. The shrub will grow to be 2-3 feet tall but can grow as tall as 10 feet if it is in enough shade. These are considered evergreen plants and will keep a green color throughout the year. Trumpet vine. The trumpet vine, Campsis radicans, is also known as the trumpet creeper or hummingbird vine. It is a perennial and deciduous vine that grows fast. It can grow 30 to 40 feet in a single season. They typically bloom in the summer and early fall. The plant also has dense foliage in which birds like to nest. Food plants. Plants that provide food year-round, such as berry bushes, will make your garden a place birds want to return to. Keep in mind that you might not get to enjoy many of the berries you grow, as the birds bring their friends and eat quickly.